Love, peace, and salutations. My name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, the Earl of Arizona. You are now shining with the Arizona sun. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here, which is wherever you're at. Coming with love from AZ. This is StereoPHX 888, a channel about personal development, growth on YouTube, and how I'm changing my life from low vibe to high vibe. I can't save you. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to share with you how I'm saving myself. And you know, you've considered your own aesthetic appeal, whether you want to admit it or not. And I can't think of one thing the society might push you to present a certain way more than your teeth. And if you see my teeth, it's the result of a certain way of living, but also medication and being shot in the mouth when I was 19. But at the end of the day, I just want to be able to eat solid food and whatnot, vegetables and stuff, you know, fruit and stuff. So I had the opportunity to do a mold thing and order these veneer things through what is it, Pop-On? It's the Pop-On Smiles, whatever the hell it is. But I swear I did the process the wrong way when I did it, because I didn't put the stuff in the refrigerator beforehand. So I swear it wasn't gonna come out right. But I sent them in anyway, melty and as they were. So here we go. They showed up. They came. Here it is. Ooh-wee, this is crazy to me. This is insane. Okay, so this is my little thug thizzle at the tender age of 39. Oh, this is for them to sit on. Alright, thank God. I was gonna say hell no. That ain't right at all. Alright, cool. What do we got? It's like a very compact case. Very, very well put together case. So bam, you get some shit like this. You get something like this. It's I got access to a VIP shop. Well, imagine that. Pop-On bling. Okay. Fresh foam, other stuff they want to sell you. Or this is like some tips on there with the QR code. Got the retainer cleaner. Dentist recommended. Do the damn thing with that. A bag. But here they are. Well, this is something for to sit on, I guess, because I know that ain't going in my mouth. I got one. And I guess the main idea is that it covers my front grill, because okay, that shit actually kind of works. What do you think? Like and subscribe. Hit that like button, comment. Let me know what you think, because it actually does look legit. That's crazy. I got on the off-white, so you know, actually as a smoker, etc., it makes more sense. I think this is this is save the day if I get my fillings done and all that. But the problem is still lies in the fact that I don't have any bottom teeth. So I guess this would be truly for the aesthetic, and maybe I can get, I don't know. The mold was made with my entire grill, so I'm surprised they didn't send me bottoms too, but it is I mean, massive gap. We're going shit. It's a plus. We're going from massive gap into to like, dang, this really got a oh man, dang! All of a sudden, I have a perfect front row of teeth. That's crazy. Well, I don't know what else to say, but let's just say that it isn't perfect because I fucked up making the process, but it'll work for sure. And if your teeth are totally jacked up like mine are, making the mold was kind of, it tells you not to do it. They tell you, it says right there not to do it because obviously you could, it's like a thick rubbery thing. I have a video on my channel. There's a couple videos on my channel. The playlist it's under is probably personal development or lifestyle, micro to macro, one or the other, but you should be able to find it on there. I'll put links in the comment section. Yeah. So there it is. Well, now I'm TV ready, right? Now I got, all of a sudden I got a perfect there it is. Whoop-de-whoop. Alright. Let me know what you think. Till next time.